Okay, Ashton is outside. I'm gonna meet Ashton. Hi, Ashton. Hi. Okay, we're gonna go to your house, remember? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna meet you in a while. I'm gonna go back to my house. Okay, let's go inside my house. Oh, I left the door open. Wait. Let's go stand up here. Wait, remember we gotta fix the roof? Because I don't want the house getting abandoned. Yeah, I know. Wait, I'm gonna check my computer. I wanna see the news. Wait, I think it's bad news. Okay, I gotta tell you some. Here's the good news. Okay. Let me think of the good news. The good news is we're gonna go to the basement and be safe. And the bad news is that tornado is coming. What? I know. We gotta go to the basement. Let's go check my house. My house is completely damaged. I have to abandon it. Why is there a zombie there? Brains! Okay. Oh, my computer still works. Oh, look, there was 3 chests, but one of the chests are gone. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Yeah, the tornado was really powerful. Okay. I should live in your house.